Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Skin. So I hope you enjoyed the contents of the giveaway video. Please enjoy and don't forget to enter. Now, today I received in the post a huge package from Space NK. Let me show you. It's really heavy. It's the full, well, I suppose the full Space NK advent calendar. So we're going to go through everything. I'm going to show you what's in here. So full spoiler alert, disclaimer. I was in the kind of summery festive mood, so I've done a full glam look with Lisa Eldridge's Velvet Ribbon. I absolutely adore this colour because again, after all, we are opening advent calendars well before Christmas, so let's go ahead and see what's in this advent calendar. Treat yourself box. One is get the party look, and then one is little luxuries. So I'm going to put this down again. It's very heavy. So this is how it comes, guys. 2 of the volumes are in one, and on the back there's these lovely little limericks. So this is how it comes. So in this one there is 1 to 12. So let's go ahead and open each one. So box 1, there is an Exfoliate elixir. Now this is from Paula's Choice and it's 30 ml, and this is how much it's worth. Box 2, there's lots of little clues on the back of the boxes, which I think is quite cute, about what product you'll get. Oh wow, this is the Ren Tonic. This is Ready Steady Glow. It's 100 ml, so that's how much this is worth. I'll try and put all the prices of the value below. In 3. Oh wow, guys, ELECTROLYTE. So in here is some ELECTROLYTE. They're cleansing oil travel capsules, and they come in a little travel case as well. I've heard so many good things about this. So basically these are a compact refillable carrying case, and the capsules are 100% biodegradable. You twist and remove the capsule. This is basically the cleansing oil capsules, so that would be part of your nightly routine. 4. Oh wow, a little Hourglass ambient lighting shade. This is in dim light. How cute is that? That's lovely. Comment down below how you guys have been, what's on your Christmas list. So 5. Ooh, some Drunk Elephant WATERFACIAL hydrating mist. Now, to be honest with you guys, I've really wanted to try Drunk Elephant, so this is going to be such a good way to try. 6. Oh my gosh, some Dr. Barbara Sturm hyaluronic serum in 10 ml. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I can't wait to use this. I've heard nothing but great things about Dr. Barbara Sturm. Ooh, number 7 seems heavy. This is a Oliver essential oil. It's a bath oil. I can tell you it smells divine already. Number 8. Yes, Olaplex bonding oil. Thank you very much. This boosts, shines and strengthens your hair. I really need this for my hair because I haven't had a haircut, believe it or not, since February this year because of shielding and because of the apocalypse outside. So number 9, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. So this is a dry shampoo, and this is a 92 ml. 10, this is heavy. I wonder what this is. Ooh, this is a MALIN and I'd say GOETZ. MALIN and GOETZ. It's a bergamot hand and body wash. That's interesting. It's for hands and body. Number 11. I think it's really cute how they've got all of the different box numbers. I'm really looking forward to the makeup one. Love skincare, but I'm very picky about it. Wow, yes. This is a Laura Mercier Caviar. Oh, it's a mascara. It's really funny. I've been hauling a lot. You'll see on my Instagram. Follow me here. On my Instagram, I have posted so many hauls that I've done, clothing, and I've just bought this in a full size. So that's everything for volume 1 and 2. It's number 12, which I missed out. This is something I was really interested in, guys. This is IGK's New York, I think Miami and LA. Antisocial overnight hair treatment. So it's supposed to overnight bond building. It's a dry hair mask. Please let me know any hair recommendations that you have for shampoo products, because like I say, I haven't been able to look after my hair at all, and I really want to start making it grow and be thicker and stronger. Now that's definitely the end of that volume. Let's get volume 3 and 4. So here is volume 3 and 4. Let's see what's in here. So number 13. This is quite heavy. Wow. Wow. A Tan Luxe Super Glow. It's tailor-made tanning. Oh, it's a hyaluronic tanning serum. Now that's really amazing. Now, believe it or not, even though I am of Indian orientation, I would like to look a little bit glowy and glossy and a little bit more golden. So I might try this on my legs or my arms. But yes, this is a whole 80 ml. I'll put the prices in as I mentioned. Number 14. Oh wow, I saw this today on Instagram. It's the Rio Sunset Glow Oil. Now this gives you glow motions. It's basically an all over glowy situation. It says here, in Brazil, glowing skin is a year-round obsession. Our bodies beam with sensuality. They move with luscious light. Get your glow groove. Choose your glow mood. Wow. Number 15. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's a Kevyn Aucoin whole eye design palette. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at it, guys. It says on the mirror, beauty belongs to the brave. That's the palette, guys. It's golds and neutrals. 16. Oh, how cute. It's a Little Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I believe we are all very familiar with that, so I'll put that back. I'm going to re-gift a lot of these, I'm sure. Ooh, number 17 is quite heavy. Oh, wow. This is a Kate Somerville Plus Retinol Vitamin C Firm and Brightening Moisturizer. Comes in some gorgeous packaging, guys, and it's in 50 ml. Wow, that's amazing. So read up on retinol and things like that before you start using it, because I think there's a specific sort of way you should be using it. 18. Oh my gosh. It's the Augustinus Bader or Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream. Wow. Oh gosh, guys, it's in a 15 ml. I believe Victoria Beckham and the whole science and evolution of her products has a heavy hand with this particular genius. Number 19. Oh wow, it's some Diptyque fragrance. I absolutely adore Diptyque. There is 7.5 ml in this. Not many more to go now. 20. Oh yes, the best bronzer in the world, NARS Laguna, and it's in their new packaging. 21. Oh wow, it's a Chantecaille Bio Lifting Mask. That's amazing, and that is in 15ml. 22. Redo hand cream in Slow Dance. 23. Oh, amazing. It's the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Would you believe it? I've just bought this in a full size with a lip treatment as well, so this will be getting gifted. I've always wanted to try fresh products because they are, I think they're under the LVMH brand, and you know I like that umbrella. Oh, this is heavy. This is 24, so this is for Christmas Eve. Oh wow. Oh wow, guys. It's a Joe Loves candle. Oh, it's the Christmas candle. It's a layered candle with Christmas trees, plum pudding and log fires. Oh, that is gorgeous. I wish you guys could smell that. It is absolutely stunning. So guys, there you have it. That is the entire volume of the Space NK full advent calendar. I actually received it as a last minute that they said some more were in stock, so I quickly got one for you. Make sure you have a look online. I think the price is definitely worth it if you tot up all of the value. And remember, these products can be for regifting, so you can break them up and give them across sort of stocking fillers. You can give them to people, you can gift them to friends, and you can even do them as mini gifts if you forget a gift or something like that. So I highly recommend looking into advent calendars that work for you in your situation. Some of them you can use, some of them you can give away. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The 1,000 subscriber luxury giveaway is live now, so there's no reason not to enter. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.